Michigan, issued at 9:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Today, south winds 15 knots.
The proceeding has been a briefly tone alert just of the following NOAA weather radio all hazard stations. WNG 683 Marinisco, WXK 73 Houghton, WZ 2513 Copper Harbor, KJY 76 Crystal Falls, KIG 66 Marquette, KZZ 35 Escanaba, WNG 684 Manistee, WZ 2514 Munising, WZ 2515 Grand Marais, and WNG 576 Newberry. This test is normally scheduled for Wednesday mornings between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time. If there is the threat of or existing severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available clear weather day. You can find more information regarding NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards on the internet at www.weather.gov/NWR or by calling your National Weather Service office near Marquette at 906-475-5212. This concludes the test. We now return to our scheduled programming.
The record high is 96 degrees, which was set in 1930. And the low 40.
And now,
this is the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. During dangerous weather situations, weather radio receivers are activated to warn you of the impending hazard. The test of the system is conducted every Wednesday between 11:15 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be canceled. The warning alarm is activated for short-fused weather watches and warnings affecting Michigan's northern lower peninsula, the eastern upper peninsula, and the adjacent coastal waters of the Great Lakes, including Whitefish Bay, Saginaw Bay, and the St. Mary's River system. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. The short